Welcome to the Charleston floor plan at Abberly Southpoint Apartment Homes by HHHunt, located in beautiful Fredericksburg, Virginia. This spacious one-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom home offers 1,199 square feet of luxurious living space, designed to meet your every need. Step into the large kitchen where granite countertops and modern appliances make cooking a delight. Adjacent to the kitchen, you'll find a cozy dining area perfect for meals with friends or a quiet dinner at home. The open concept living room flows seamlessly into your private covered porch, providing the perfect space to unwind and enjoy the outdoors. Your spacious bedroom features a large walk-in closet, offering ample storage for all your belongings. The attached bathroom is designed for comfort and convenience, with dual vanities that add a touch of elegance. Enjoy the ease of having your own laundry room with a full-sized washer and dryer, making laundry day a breeze. With ADT Smart Home technology, the Charleston floor plan ensures that your home is as convenient as it is stylish. Discover the perfect blend of luxury and comfort at Abberly Southpoint. The Charleston floor plan is more than just a home, it's a lifestyle.